Machine tools. Milling machine spinning.
Right now is a good time to be a machinist.
Sparks scattering from a grinding wheel.
My name is Bill Webb, and I'm in the machine tool program.
Bill in safety goggles at a computer.
I was only halfway through the program, and I was already seeing multiple job opportunities.
Circular dial of a hardness tester. Students taking notes at a lecture.
A professor has over 40 years of experience.
Instructor Kim Munson.
You start out learning the basics: math, blueprint reading,
Detailed digital blueprint of a handle.
how to measure and use hand tools.
Measuring caliper.
Then you move on to manual machines.
Bandsaw cutting a copper plate.
And next you learn how to program. You'll be writing your own and running them on the CNC machines.
CNC machines shaping metal and plastic.
You will be able to make parts to within thousandths of an inch or sometimes less.
Smooth polished handles and metal parts.
Parts that could be used in the aerospace industry, medical fields,
Calipers and files.
or even everyday household items.
A gold pen.
The cost of tuition is very affordable. Here you don't have to buy your own tools to complete the program.
Students laughing in an industrial workshop.
Machining has been an empowering skill to learn.
Printed on a black t-shirt. Arconic. Innovation engineered.
I was fortunate enough to get a job that accommodated my school schedule, paid me well, and was in an industry that I was excited to be a part of. For me, machining was the quickest pathway to a quality career.
Minneapolis Community and Technical College. www.minneapolis.edu. Music, A New Adventure. Artist, Clay Penka. Minneapolis College Sound Arts Department.